If you took everything away from me today and I had to start from scratch, this is exactly how I would go about making 100K in 90 days. Not because I would get lucky, but because I've watched this exact blueprint work over and over again. I've coached traders to over $10 million in results, helping traders to get to high six-figure funding in short periods of time, helping traders pull tens of thousands of dollars in payouts, and even helping traders get to seven figures in funding. And here's what most people don't understand. It's not necessarily your trading strategy. It's not the market. It's not some secret indicator. It's all about the sequence. There is a very specific order of decisions, risk management, psychological conditioning that all come together to create results. And if I had to restart today, this is exactly what I would do. Step by step, no fluff, no fantasy, just the blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact capital structure I would use, the risk models I would follow, the psychological rules that I just wouldn't break, and the one mistake that keeps most traders at break even. If you're serious about trading full time, this may just be the most important video you watch this year. There are really three non-negotiable steps that every trader needs to take if they want to get to 100K in 90 days. These are the three overarching principles that I really hammer home to my traders when I work with them one-on-one or they come into the mentorship. And I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look into how I coach these traders step by step and what I tell them to do to ensure they can start generating the results they ultimately want to generate in their trading. Now, the first thing is you need to know your numbers. Your numbers are the foundation of your trading results. And I'm astonished by how many traders, when I ask them very simple questions, they don't know the answers to these questions. For example, what's your strike rate? What's the percentage of trades that are wins relative to losses? What's your average win size? Whenever you do take a win, let's say, for example, your strike rate is 60% and your average win size, you risk 1% per trade and you have a reward of, on average, 1.5%. So that's a trader with a profitable edge. They have a 60% strike rate, and when they win 1.5 times more than when they lose. And then what's their average monthly return? Obviously, your month-to-month return oscillates, but over a year, divide that by 12, what's your average monthly return? And then what's your account size? Typically, traders are only really focusing on this one. They know that one, but the other three is very important to know. Now, when I say know your numbers, this also means know your edge, know your entries, know your risk management, know your management of positions. So what I get every single trader to do when they start off is build a mechanical trading strategy. They have a simple entry and exit model. Great. I want you to go and test that over 100 trades, over 1,000 trades, and get realistic back-tested data of what you would have if you're trading live of your strike rate, your average percentage return per month, and your average win. Now, this is important for two reasons. Firstly, this is the foundation of your risk management model that you can create, but it also helps you set realistic expectations. It's important to be able to see your edge over 1,000 trades and realize at the end of that 1,000 trades, you got a profitable outcome, but the oscillation over those 1,000 trades, you're oscillating between wins and losses, wins and losses, wins and losses. So it helps set a realistic expectation when you trade that this individual trade may not be a win. It could be a loss on this individual trade, but if I stick to my plan over a large sample space, I'm going to end up with a profitable outcome. So the quickest thing you can do right now, if you're starting from zero, and what I would do is I would get a strategy, put it into a mechanical plan, outline exactly what my entry is, my exit is, what my risk management is, and then I would go and test it over 100 trades to get an accurate or a general idea of my strike rate, how many of those 100 trades are wins, my average win on each of those wins, and then my average percent return per month. And I would do an accurate set of testing, making sure I take both wins and losses, how I would in real life conditions. And that gives me a good foundation of strategy, realistic expectations, and an understanding of my strike rate and average win size. Now, I would take the average return per month from my testing, and I would now do a calculation of how much funding I need to be able to get $100,000 in profit. Now, $100,000 over 90 days is $33.3 thousand per month. Now, let's say, for example, I returned on average 5% profit per month.
Well, I do a little calculation. My account size necessary is the outcome divided by the average monthly percentage. So in this case, it's 33,000 divided by 0.05, which is 5%. And that gives me an outcome of $670,000. So I know if I want to be making $100,000 profit in 90 days, I need to have $670,000 of funding under my belt at, at 5% profit per month. And this may seem very daunting, but what I've seen with my traders is that it doesn't take very long to scale up to high six figures in funding. And you know what? It may take you 5 to 6 months to build up an account size this big to be able to be pulling $100,000 in 90 days. But all the while you're getting there, you're pulling $10,000 per month and then $20,000 per month. So you're doing very well and you're getting rewarded all the way through that journey. So it may take a little bit of time to build up your account to this size, but you're getting rewarded all the way through. And with some of the prop firms, which we're going to talk about in a second, and the accessibility we have to leverage nowadays, you'll be surprised by how quickly you can get to that figure. So I would start with my strategy, building my mechanical plan, getting my numbers down pat. I know exactly what they are. And that would be the first thing I do. And I would absolutely dedicate all my energy into that strategy, numbers, the figures I need for my account sizes. And then I would focus in on my psychology. I take this perspective of ready, aim, fire. And there's a Hermetic principle that says that the swing to the left equals the swing to the right. And what that means is that if we're coming to each individual trade, now that we know what our edges and our strike rate is over a large period of time, if we're coming to each individual trade, swinging to the right, thinking we're going to get a positive outcome on that individual trade, positive, beneficial, greedy, pleasurable outcome, then when we swing to the right, we're also unconsciously going to have a swing to the left, which means we're going to introduce a negative polarity, fear, and pain into our trading. Because when we go to each individual trade expecting a positive outcome on that individual trade, we now all of a sudden have a fear of missing out on it and a fear of loss. We introduce fear into our trading. So every individual trade, now that I know what my edge is, and now that I know if I consistently stick to my trading plan, this entry model, this exit model over a large sample space, I'm going to get profitable. I've built my risk management protocol in place, which we're going to talk about in the next slide. Then all I need to do is come to each individual trade. And if I notice myself swinging into a greedy expectation, thinking about what I can take from the market on that individual trade, it's important to bring that expectation back to center. So you can ground your positive outcome-based expectations on that individual trade. Remind yourself that there are millions of factors in the market influencing price. Who are you to think that you can expect and take from the market on that individual trade? And I created the free Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset tool, which is in the description, completely free to help you do this. The tool helps you identify in real time when you're swinging off center to a greedy expectation on an individual trade, and it recenters you. So you can remove fear from your trading, and so that you can remove painful losses from your trading. Because the only reason there's pain there in the first place is because you're expecting a pleasurable win. But if you identify all those positive expectations before you trade and you bring them back to center, so too you bring your fears and your pains back to center. Because the swing to the right equals the swing to the left. And if you have a moderated swing to the right and you rein that back in, you're not going to swing to the left. So this is the ready, aim, fire principle that I teach and I help traders implement before every single individual trade, so that they're process-based and that they're focused on their edge. And that's where you have long-term consistent profitability, because you're not oscillating between fear and greed. You're staying the mark, you're staying centered, and you're sticking to your trading plan over a large sample space. Now, once you have your mechanical plan set up and you know your numbers, you know your figures, you know your entries, your exits, and you do the mindset principles, you utilize the Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset tool to keep you focused on your edge, keep you focused on your trading plan. It's now time to scale. The process doesn't change, but when you add more accounts and leverage on top, the reward changes and you get rewarded to greater amounts every time you take on more funding. So what I suggest is you identify 3 prop firms that resonate with you. I have my prop firm, Telos Capital, which I suggest you check out. but I want you to do research on the top 3 prop firms best for you. You want to diversify across 3 prop firms so you're not at the mercy of any one if they go under. So you want to focus on identifying the top 3 best prop firms for your trading strategy with reasonable rules, all the above, and you want to start on accounts with that. And then you want to focus on scaling up accounts and getting max allocation across 3 different prop firms. Remember, our goal with this example is 670,000 in funding, and that may seem daunting right now, but if you take on, a couple $200,000 accounts across a prop firm, you're already more than halfway there. And you would be surprised if you have proper processes and you forget about the outcome on each individual trade and you just focus on execution, how quickly you can actually get there. And it may take you 5 months to build up that funding, but like I said, you're getting rewarded all the way through and you're getting payouts along that journey. So once you identify your top 3 prop firms, your focus now is on sticking to your edge with the right mindset, using the Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset tool until you hit that ideal account size for you to be generating 100K in 90 days, like we identified before. And that's the focus now, sticking to your plan over that large sample space so you can have the outcome and the reward as a result. And one of the most crucial factors here is now all about risk management. So you want to be setting max risk per trade. You don't ever want to be risking more than 1% on each individual trade. You want to be setting max loss per day. I suggest having no more than 2 consecutive losses in a day. And you want to be setting up a drawdown protocol, which means the closer you get down to max drawdown here, the more you scale your risk down. At the start of a funding challenge, I wouldn't be risking 1%, I'd be risking 0.5%. Take the total account size and I'd be only risking 0.5% of that account. And the closer I get to the max drawdown, I would be reducing my risk. Let's say I get halfway through drawdown, I'd be halving my risk. So I can protect my capital, I can protect my psychology, and I can focus on just making great decisions. Remember, a great decision is one that aligns with your plan. So traders, these are the 3 non-negotiable steps I would take to get to the point of being able to pull 100,000 in profit in 90 days. If you found this useful, make sure you like and subscribe and sign up for the free training, the Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset 2.0 training and tool. That's a complete game changer in what I teach. It's already helped 8,000 traders around the world transform their trading psychology. So I know it will help you. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you all in the next video.